Hello friends, I hope you are all doing well, and in today's video we're gonna teach you some most commonly mispronounced word. And as usual I have son with me. Hello son.
Hello.
And he will say some words pronunciation in a wrong way, and I'll try to say in the correct form, okay? And you know that pronunciation is the most important thing for speaking English, because our audience can't understand if we pronounce the words wrong. That's why we should work on the correct pronunciation. Okay, let's get started with the first one. Son, what's the first one?
Apple.
Apple, A-B-L-E. So its pronunciation is able, able, not apple. Okay, then
Egg.
ache, betha bedona. So ache, it's not ache, it's ache. As we say, stomach ache, headache, etc. Ache. Okay, then
Adjust.
adjust. Okay, so here we have the just sound. Adjust, not adjust. Adjust. Okay, then
African.
yeah, so the word African, it's not it's a sound at the beginning of the word. That's why we should say it African, not African. Okay, African. Then
Edge.
as, old, বয়স বোঝাতে আমরা age বলি, আসলে it should be the long a sound. Age. What's your age? As we should say, what's your age? Okay, then
Among.
yeah, it's one of the most common prepositions, and most people say it as among, but it's not among. It's among, because there's the schwa a sound at the beginning of the word among. Divide the mangoes among the boys or among the girls, like this. Okay, then
April.
yeah, most common word we say April, but it's not April, it's April. It should be pronounced as April, okay, because there's the a sound. April. Okay, then
Asia.
yeah, most people say it Asia, but it's not Asia, it's Asia. Okay, Asia. We can see the Royal Bengal tigers in the Sundarbans or some big forest in Asia, not Asia, Asia. Okay, then
Assume.
yeah, but it's not assume, because there is a sound at the second syllable. It's assume. অনুমান করা, কল্পনা করা, think or imagine. So we should say assume, not assume. Okay, then
August.
yeah, we say August, but it's not August, it's August. August, because there is the o sound at the beginning of the word. August. August. Then
Baby.
yeah, so here's the sound long a. We know that ba a b e. So it should be pronounced as baby. Okay, baby, not baby. As we have the word table, ta a b l, table, ba a b e, baby, or name, name. What's your name? What's your baby? Like this. Okay, thank you. Next.
Ball.
Yeah, we say it's ball, but it's not ball, because there is the o sound. It should be pronounced as ball. Tall, call, ball. Okay, it should be pronounced as ball. Let's play the ball. Okay, next.
Bass.
B-A-S-E. Here's the long sound a. Son, that's why we should say bass, bass, not bass, but bass. Okay, son, thank you so much, and guys, please subscribe our channel, YouTube channel, and if you like our videos, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends, because we'll be uploading much more important English learning videos in our channels. Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.